In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of SoFi versus LendingClub, two big names in online personal loans, focusing on what they do well, what to watch out for, and which might suit your situation. Let's start with SoFi. SoFi offers personal loans in amounts from about $5,000 to $100,000, which makes it a solid choice if you need a larger sum. Their repayment terms are flexible, typically between 2 and 7 years. One major advantage, SoFi often doesn't charge origination fees or late fees on its personal loans, which means fewer surprises when you borrow. SoFi also offers some borrower perks like unemployment protection, and the app experience is smooth. On the downside, you'll likely need a strong credit score. Many borrowers see approval with scores of 680 or higher, and while SoFi's loan ranges are generous, if you need something smaller than $5,000, you may be out of luck. Now for LendingClub. LendingClub offers personal loans starting much smaller from around $1,000 up to about $40,000, making it a fit if you only need a smaller amount. It also allows joint or co-borrower applications, which can help if your credit alone might not qualify. However, there are extra costs. LendingClub typically charges origination fees, often between 0% and 8%, and may charge late fees. Additionally, its repayment terms are shorter, usually up to 5 years max in many cases. Therefore, while it might be more flexible for smaller amounts or borrowers with fair credit, the higher fees and shorter term could reduce overall value. So how do they compare in short? If you have excellent credit, need a larger loan amount, and want fewer upfront fees, SoFi probably gives you the better savings and more flexibility. If you have fair to good credit, only need a smaller loan, and want the option of a co-borrower, LendingClub may suit you better, provided you're comfortable with origination fees and a shorter loan term. My verdict is, SoFi is the better choice when you're in good financial shape, need a large loan, and want minimal borrowing fees, while LendingClub is a strong alternative when your credit isn't perfect, you need a smaller amount, and you're willing to accept extra fees for the access. Let me know in the comments if you've tried SoFi or LendingClub, or are deciding between them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of financial tools.